ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯕꯣꯁꯦꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ 1 chemistry periodic classification of element ꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦ. In 1661, Robert Boyle proposed the definition of an element. 1661 dane Robert Boyle haba nupasina ne element haibase karino habagi definition se pirameba as any substance that cannot be decomposed into a simpler substance by a chemical reaction. Element haibase kaino haibadane substance ama any substance ama oibi yaibako adubu adugi substance to simpler substance da adu man lairiba position degi man lairiba form degi ne amuk hai hanna thugai basu yadraba decompose to ba yadraba haidi chemical reaction atopa chemical reaction ama thoga thugai ba yadraba posak oibido adudubu ne ba element haise. At that time, only 13 elements were known. Adu matam dudane haidi Robert Boyle haba nupasigi matam sidane 13 elements katang khangeba lay haise. Towards the end of the 18th century, another 11 elements have been discovered. Towards the end of the 18th century se loisalakpadane atopa 11th elements amagusu discovered tawreeba hadi puthoreeba ko when only a few elements were known. It was easy to study and remember their properties. Adugi matam dudadine elements se khara khatang khangiba oibanina ne elements sing do hena khangba aduga magi properties to hena khangba yam lairam ba elements to yam dribanina. But gradually, with the development of science, several new elements were discovered. Science se hai chawkhalakpagi matung ina ne ano ba elements amam puthoreba. At present, about 114 elements were known to us. Hauze akhoina ne 114 elements hauze oina hauze ki oina khangeba ko khoi present ki oina hauze akhoigi. Each of these elements show different properties due to different kinds of atoms constituting them, and they form millions of compounds. Each of these elements khuding magna properties loi tongaleba kaigino haiba matamda moi semiba atoms sing se loi tongan banina aduga elements sing duna ne millions of compound amama form tawba ngameba. Next, a study of the properties of these elements and their compound individually appeared to be a difficult task. See, elements masing yam khala amnina adugi properties study tawba aduga my compound sembada se difficult yam oireeba. So attempts were made. Adubu attempted taweba hoti honeiba from time to time matamgi matung ina to find regularities or trends in the properties of these elements such they could be classified into a handful of groups having similar properties. Aduna hoti honei attempted tawe aduga kaigina regularities elements sing to the group same properties manaba sing do group same na bo hotnaba similar properties oiba sing do adu regular nine train amada thamnaba ne hoti honei attempt taweba. The study of properties of a typical element of a particular group enables scientists to roughly predict the properties of other elements of that group. Element amagi properties study tawrina ko particular group amagi ko samna harabada potassium, calcium, nitrogen, fluorine si mari manga si mari manga sidagi na ama calcium ki properties si mari manga se group ama se me khaloba sidagi calcium ki properties ama study tawradi aduda yariba group sing dugi group te yariba elements sing dugi properties sing do manai haina moina predict taweba. Next, early attempt at the classification of element man hai se kaino habadanya elements sing se classify tawbada ngalikan de attempt tawbasing dune ba se tamdoshina ko. Some elements like copper, silver and gold have characteristic luster, malleability and ductility ko. Element copper, silver and gold have characteristic of luster. Luster haidi shining pibado haidi shine tawbado langkhat pado aduga malleability haragana spinning ba shape amada heta piba yabado samna harabada gold se akhoi sana saidana sana sabadu da gold se akhoi na shape akhoi na saning ba design da sai dana adu do shape pining mamong da piri ne dana adu tu bune ba malleability hai se and ductility haraga na kaino habadane yam thin oina hammer tawraga phudok pa yabado yam thin oina samna harabada sana se carrot oina laidana adu bu thin oina di thin ene phudoga shape pining mamong da pi yaidana adu bune ba ductility hai se another elements like graphite carbon sulfur and phosphorus do not have luster are non-malleable and non-ductile. Atopa elements like graphite, carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus do not have luster. Atopa elements like carbon, graphite, hide pencil gumba sariba se graphite nani ko. Adu sulfur, phosphorus, sing the luster property change. The luster hide moida di langkhatiba. Malleable so ide pinning becepta so pibia de ductility so oide bako. These important differences led Lavoisier to classify elements into two groups, metals and non-metals ko. Sigumba differences like basina ne Lavoisier haiba nupasina ne elements sing se an group ani thokna khaidu eba ko metals haiba ma non metals haiba ma khaidu omeba ko. However, such a grouping was too broad and unbalanced as there are only a few non-metals, about 10% in one group, and a large number of metals, 90% in the other group. Adubuna, sige grouping se unbalanced, balance yam oideba ko. Group of madana non-metals se 10%, yauraga group of madana the metals se 90% yauba thengnaiba ko. Also, there was no place for elements with properties resembling those of metals as well as non-metals ko. Atopa elements ko, metals properties su chain ba ko. Non-metals properties su chain ba animak properties animaki properties chain ba elements me amus laiba ko. Metals direction at ba non-metals direction at ba adugum ba element tadi element ki mafam di laitre ba adune mana sina ngasai atam tawkhiba scientist mayam singdo adudo mathang tawrtoni ko the Werner triads ko in 1803 John Dalton published a table of relative atomic weight, now called atomic masses of elements. 1803 dana John Dalton haiba nupasina ne atomic weight the depend tawraga table khara semeba ko group ki elements sing to group tawraga table khara semeba attempts that were then made to find the relationship between the physical and chemical properties of elements and their atomic masses adugi attempt mana tawriba attempt to kaidawbagino haitardi elements sing dugi marakta physical and chemical properties khangdoknaba amasung magi atomic masses se kaino haibise khangdoknabagi damaktani ba ko aina see the different color na highlight tawrising se that means ana underline tawrising se importance oiba sing duni ko. In 1829, the German chemist Werner arranged elements having similar chemical properties into group of three. 1829 the German chemist samana hadi German chemist Werner habenu pasina ne elements magi chemical properties manaba group ahum semame baka. This group were called triads ko adugi group to triads ko group amada element ahum yawba ko. The Werner found that when elements are arranged in a triad in the order of increasing atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of the other two elements. This is known as Werner's laws of triads. The Werner na mana triads semba matamna mana group of triads semba matamna mana kai phange haba matamna elements se mayai group amada ahum neba elements yauduri se ko aduda mayai thang ba elements se ko magi atomic mass se atopa matai anigi average arithmetic mean average hot padanya adugi mayai dugi atomic masses ki approximate masing phang approximate atomic masses ka chap mani habane ba ko sise ai makha da hairake ko example do ai taklake gyan tana ba hena ko. For example, The elements of calcium, strontium, and barium resemble one another in most of their property. Example oinako calcium, strontium, and barium se group amani ko si group amani si my chemical properties se na ayamba loy manayba. The atomic mass of strontium is almost equal to the average of the atomic masses of calcium and barium. And huji haibato. Ngasai strontium si mayay da nidan lady sa calcium ga barium gi mayay da strontium lay banidana. Strontium gi atomic mass se kay gamana ge haiba matamdana. Average atomic mass of calcium ga barium ga manayba. Calcium gi barium gi atomic mass se average atomic mass se calculate tawraga ne strontium gi atomic mass ga approximately money happening. Again, in the case of another three elements, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, the atomic mass of bromine is about the average atomic masses of chlorine and iodine. Table 1.1 da huzik khangani ko adu da huzik yengse holega su yengse ko amukana ko atopa three element atopa group amgi three elements haita chlorine, bromine, iodine se bromine sina mayay dani layrise ko chlorine ga iodine gi bromine do bromine ki atomic mass se average atomic mass of chlorine ga iodine ga mani habine ba ko haziki ngase ko the Werner threads na hayami se kaino haibase ko man hai se ngasai habado strontium gi sigi strontium sigi atomic mass se calcium ga barium gi average hot pesa calcium ga barium gi average ka mani habane ba ko approximate ta mani habane ba si ani sigi average sola approximate mani habane ba man haido aduga chap manana bromine gi sishu sigi bromine gi sishu chlorine ga iodine ga ko iodine gi average atomic masses average hot pada adugi atomic masses ka mani habane ba approximate mani habane ba ko man haining ise Werner could identify four triads from the element known at that time. The Werner ne ko man people identify to bunga mi se four triad pibanga me ba ko sugumba group ahum se calcium strontium barium sisna group amani dana sugumba group se ahum mari pibanga me haba ko matam dula khangba element sing da ko hence this system classification could not become successful because all element could not be put into triad ko Sigi system of classification se successful di haidi mai pak pading am khide ba kai gino hai tar di element khuding mak ne sigi triad se the same ya de ba ko hazik hazemu yeng ase ba ko table 1.2 se da Werner triad se karam mano group A sira natra group B sira ha ba se yeng se ba ko hotlaga yeng se ba ko ahanbada phosphorus ki atomic mass se yengdoni ko puthoktori mayai gi phosphorus se nitrogen ga arsenic ki se group A gi se ko ahanbada nitrogen gi se 14 ne ko 14 plus 74.9 ko si se plus tawdoi ne ba ko si plus tawraga kya tarni 9 88 tadoine ba ko 88 tadoine si 88 tara matungda ne average hot pati magi number of element mami element na hot to ko average hot pati adudi kya tarni 88.9 divided by 2 dudi kya tare 44.45 ado phosphorus kidi kya no 31.0 ne ko si magi average na yam hele ko si do Werner triad oidre ba si se phosphorus ki group A gi elements sing se si di do Werner triad oidre ba kai gi no habada magi average na yam hele average na 44.45 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯁꯐꯣꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯣꯃꯤc ꯃꯥꯁꯅ 31 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯦꯚꯔꯦꯖꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯤꯃꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯣꯕꯦꯔꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯗꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯣꯃꯤc ꯃꯥꯁꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯤꯊꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯁꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯤꯊꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ 6.9 ꯀꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯇꯥꯁꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ 39.0 6.9 39.0 ꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ 45 ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯏꯔꯒꯦꯀꯣ 45.9 ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯚꯔꯦꯖ ꯍꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯏꯗꯦꯠ ꯕꯥꯏ 2ꯅ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯁꯦ 22.95 ꯀꯣ 22.9 ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯗꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯁꯣꯗꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤꯗꯤ 23 ꯁꯣꯗꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ 23ꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯚꯔꯦꯖ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯍꯣꯠꯄꯁꯦ 22ꯅꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ 23 ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯛꯅꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯛꯅꯔꯝꯅꯤꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯣꯕꯦꯔꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯣꯕꯦꯔꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯗꯣꯕꯦꯔꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯗꯣꯕꯦꯔꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯚꯔꯦꯖ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯨꯅ ꯐꯣꯁꯐꯣꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯣꯃꯤc ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯛꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ 22.9ꯅꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁꯣꯗꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ 23ꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯛꯅꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯤꯃꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯣꯕꯦꯔꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯗꯣꯕꯦꯔꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦꯀꯣ next Newland laws of octave sina atopa scientist amane ko masu attempt tawrini ko table class periodic classification of the periodic classification piba matamna ne ma table sema matamna masu attempt tawrini ngasai Doverner gi type ta ko Newlands kina ko in 1886 Newlands ne ko 1886 John Newland an English scientist observed an interesting regularity. He arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses as follow. Mananya 1883 the Newlands haba nupasina ne mas English scientist ne bako man arrange tawrami si masu chap manana ngasai su increasing order of atomic mass ni na Doverner tawrami jusu ko masu increasing order of atomic mass ta table pyramid bako the properties of 8 elements were found to resemble very closely the properties of the first wherever one start in such a group ama semba grouping ama hauba matamda ne ngasai properties of 8 elements aroiba 8 elements siga ne first ki for a group atopa ma horakpagi first element to ga ne properties manaiba Manina man resemble tawrammeba ko pirammeba he compared these to the octaves found in musical notes se ko mana musical notes siga manina pirammeba si sing se ko sarega mapa dani haibase musical notes ni dana adu english ki dana do re mi fa sol la T haibase ko musical notes ni dana siga chap mane resemble oina ne mana pyramid Newland laws of octaves te ko he compared these two to the octaves found in musical notes ko mana compare to me high ko musical notes ko he suggested a laws of octaves aduna musical notes study 8 ni dana lady se ko aduna mana kaidauraga classification of elements laws of octaves ni harame bako For example, starting from hydrogen dagi hauraga ko the 8th element came out to be fluorine 8 elements se fluorine oidana sina 8 element ne ko 8 elements se fluorine ni dana ko hydrogen dagi hautaridi ko aduga the eighth element starting from fluorine was chlorine. Amuka fluorine dagi sina first oiredana. Fluorine sina first oirani aduga mathangi 8 elements se fluorine dagi hautardi chlorine oiko. Chlorine se mu 8 element oiva fluorine de hautardi chlorine oiva. The properties of fluorine and chlorine were found similar. Fluorine ga chlorine ga gi si ani sigi na. Si ani sigi properties se. Si ani sigi properties se properties se similar oi habaneba ko sinisi properties se similar oi habaneba nisi properties se similar oi habaneba fluorine ga chlorine ga ko similarly the properties of lithium aduga cha manana na lithium gi properties lithium the properties of lithium siga sodium ga manani ba how baduga si lithium de how recalisna lithium dagi how baduga 8 loifam 8 elements to aduga manani have lithium ga sodium ga manani and potassium ga sumanani si potassium ne ko si potassium ne sida lai se potassium ga sumanani hai ni ba ko were also found similar ko neural loss of octaves na hai se si ne ba man hai se next at the times of Newlands, only 62 elements were known. Newlands ki matam da di 62 elements how khangni ba ko. It was found that the laws of octaves work well for lighter elements only up to calcium. Magi laws of octaves haiba laws ko. Kadai phoba calcium phawtang ne ba ko lighter element haidi atomic mass yam driba element sing da ko up to calcium phawba magi classification se work tawrameba haidi chanarameba but it could not be applied to elements of higher atomic mass adubune atomic mass yamba calcium ki matung da di atomic mass se sum chawkhalaktuini dana my weight se adui matung da di yadreba as after calcium every 8 element did not possess properties similar to that of first calcium ki matung da ding asagi aho baga first element ka aroi bagi 8 element to ga properties manei habido calcium ki matung ki elements sing da di laitre ba ko si duga next and man let us answer these habise ai si se kushi question sing sina like manung ki question sing sina ai tongana oin tawjarake ko tongana video amoin tawjara question sing se ko naina bagi oin tongana video amoin tawjarake ko sina Dauvergne triads Newland laws of octaves ko se kaino haibagi video ne ba ko mayamna gyan ta da ba yawarsu comment section da habiro mayamna ege video sibu nungai bi taradi like subscribe to biyo